Welcome to day 17 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar 2025. Let's see what we have in store for us today. Alright, looks like we have some more sequins to embellish our prior cards and new cards. These look like they're white. We have a few extra cards we can add these on that I've already made, so this will be perfect. And then we'll maybe make something new, mix them with the purple. So they're kind of like an opalescent, clearer, whitish color. Alright, we'll be back with some projects. For this card, I used the Day 7 butterfly stencil, the Day 9 purple sequins, and the Day 17 milky white sequins. And for this next card, I used an older embossing folder, also from Spellbinders, the Day 1 dog, the Day 14 worm, the Day, I believe this was Day 16, that was the good vibes, and then the Day 17 milky white sequins.
I'd love to know which card is your favorite. Please let me know in the comments below and hit the like button so YouTube will know to send this to other people looking for Advent inspiration. I'll be posting the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar throughout December 2025. Subscribing to my channel is free and allows you to find my videos faster. If you'd like to know when my videos are posted, click on the notification button and select your preferred notification frequency. If you're also crafting with this calendar, please tag me. I'd love to see your projects.